Today we will be talking about pi. Not this pi, that pi. First of all, what is pi? Pi is the 16th letter of the Greek alphabet, but it can also be used in math. We use pi to find the circumference of a circle. The number pi is infinite, which means that the number goes on and it never stops. The first 20 digits are. For basic calculations, you would only need to know the first 3 digits, which are 3.14. But if you were to use pi for calculating, the more digits, the more precise. Instead of having to recite all the digits of pi, which is nearly impossible, or even just the first 3 digits, we just use the symbol of pi. Here's a brief history on pi. The people who discovered pi were the Babylonians and the Egyptians. It isn't certain when or how the numbers were first discovered, but we do know that the number pi was known for nearly 4,000 years. Estimates of pi have been found in the works of ancient Greek, Babylonians, Chinese, and Indian mathematicians. It is believed that it was used in the constructing of the Egyptian pyramids. Mathematicians estimate pi by inscribing polygons in circles. By the year 1400, it had calculated to 10 decimal places. So when did they find out the exact value of pi? Well, the answer is never. Pi is an irrational number, which means that it is a number that you can never be expressed as a ratio of 2 whole numbers. So no matter how close you get, you will always be a few numbers off from getting the true value of pi. Pi is irrational because since it has an infinite number of digits after the decimal point, it can't be expressed as a fraction, which makes it an irrational number. How to use pi? To calculate the circumference of a circle using pi, you will need to know the formula. It is circumference equals pi times radius times 2. The first step is to find the measurement of the radius. Let's just say it is 8 meters. Then you multiply the radius by 2 and then multiply that number by pi. The result, 50.24, would be the circumference of a circle. That's how to get the circumference of a circle using pi. If you want to find the area of a circle, you would have to use the formula area equals pi times radius squared. Instead of doubling the radius, you would square it, which means multiply it by itself. Then you would get the number 64 meters squared. Then we multiply that by pi as well. We will then get 200.96 meters squared as a result for the area of the circle. Here are some fun facts on pi. Pi Day is on March 14th, so that the digits 3.14 can be reached. Albert Einstein's birthday is on Pi Day. Stephen Hawking's death day is on Pi Day 2018. And also, if you look at a mirror image of 3.14, it spells the word pi. After all this talking of pi, I would like a piece of pie.